Hi, it's Bill with Immaculate Paint Protection again. Let's talk about wintertime driving today. What can you do to protect your vehicle against the hazards of wintertime driving? One of the options we have is paint protection film. How's paint protection film going to help you in the wintertime? When you get behind a state salt truck that's dumping all the salt on the road, you can just hear that's coming against the front of your car, truck, or SUV. All those hard rocks before they dissolve, that's just chipping your paint away. It's a bad, bad day. Paint protection film is going to stop that damage from happening. What about for the interior? It's snow's melting, it's slushy, it's nasty. All that's on your shoes and your boots. That's going to go right into your truck, your car, get it all muddied up, all dirtied up. You're going to see the salt. You don't like the salt that sticks in and gets hard on the carpet. The WeatherTech mats, awesome. Take them out, rinse them out, put them back in the car. The car's nice and clean on the inside. If you already have a ceramic coating, great. Before the wintertime, perfect opportunity to do your ceramic coating maintenance. Nice SiO2 based ceramic spray. It's going to help. It's going to do two things. It's going to make the vehicle easy to clean off in the wintertime. The snow's going to come right off. The salt won't stick as often. And it's also going to protect your ceramic coating. It's going to act as a sacrificial layer to all those harsh elements that are attacking the paint, attacking the ceramic coating. So we recommend that. If you don't have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, it's a great time to get one put on. That's going to help all the salt, the snow. It's not going to stick to the vehicle as easy. You're still going to have to wash the vehicle. You're still going to want to wash the salt off. Please do that. But a great time to have a ceramic coating installed. Safety. We can ceramic coat your windshield. That's going to snow, sleet, freezing rain, shouldn't stick as prevalent to your windshield, so you'll be able to see clearly in front of your car. If you have any questions, contact us at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com. For packages, pricing, and more, visit us at ImmaculatePaintProtection.com.